Hi, my name's Mark, and today I'm going to be showing you how to import a template. It's a really simple process. Simply click on Newsletters on the left-hand navigation pane, and then from the drop-down, click on Import Export. Now, bearing in mind, if you are importing your own template, make sure it is coded in ISS, which is inline style sheets, and not CSS, not cascading style sheets. Now you have four options. You can either import from Word, HTML or text, URL or zip file. If you're importing from Word, simply browse for your file, and once that's done, you can also indicate where you'd like to store your images, either animations, photos, pictures, etc. It's completely up to you. Then the next option, which I'm actually going to show you an example of, if we're importing from an HTML file, click the radio box, browse for your file, let's see, newsletter template. Now the system will add an image path to all your images. When it comes to your images, I like to put everything into pictures folder. Then you can also host your images on your own server by choosing the second option. And now the third option is if you'd like to host your newsletter on your own server, simply click on the URL and insert your URL for that template. The fourth option is if you'd like to load templates from a zip file. This is if you'd like to import more than one template at once. And bear in mind, if your zip file has more than one HTML file, then the newsletters will be named according to the HTML file names, which means more than one newsletter will be created. Now, if your zip file contains a single HTML file, then you need to name the file in the field below. The next step is to indicate where you'd like to import your newsletter to. If it's a new newsletter, we can choose the folder, for example, templates, the newsletter folder, draft newsletter folder, or archive newsletter folder. You can also replace a particular newsletter by this import, which is your second option, and once again indicate the folder and the newsletter name. You're also able to export your templates. Select the newsletter to export. Once again, choose the folder and the name of the newsletter and click export. I was going to show you the import from HTML. I've loaded my file, pictures, and simply click import. If I'd like to create a new newsletter based on this template, choose the first option under import to and give your newsletter a name and click on the import button.